Hi, and welcome back. Uh, Happy early Thanksgiving to everybody. This is Wednesday, so it'll be tomorrow. I'll be out of town with visiting family. Hope y'all have a wonderful Thanksgiving. But tonight, I think we're gonna try to drill these spot welds out, or make spot weld holes in the floor pan. And then we're gonna start dry fitting the little flange we built, and hopefully get that somewhat attached so we can put that piece of floor in. And Mike brought up a good point. He said to dry fit everything, even the inner rocker. So I'm going to do all that before I start welding anything, so we make sure we get it all square-ish, the best I can get it. But so the pan's almost done. We just got to do the drilling and patch those two cuts, and then we can we're gonna come back here tonight and try to see if that flange we built is gonna be level to the brace, so the pan will sit flat on both of them and go across the floor pan. And I'm gonna try to use my Clecos again. Didn't work out too good first time. I don't know if I didn't have the right drill bit or what, but I'm gonna try them again because I think that'd be a good use for those, for this piece we're gonna put on here. But other than that, let's hop to it, and I'll give you kind of close-up view of what we're gonna do. I think tonight we're gonna drill some spot weld holes right along these braces here. And of course I have to pull the pan off, get those drilled. And then we're gonna hop over here. I need to clean this up a little bit better. There's a little bit old weld sticking through. But we're gonna try to see if this piece that we somewhat flanged will work back behind here. I'm gonna try to clamp it in place and just see how level it is to this brace here, because this brace needs to be level so this pan will fit flat straight across. There's this floor needs to be down like that. So there's a little rise there. I think it's from where they stamped it. So we can probably just bend that down a little bit and it'd be fine. And it's a pretty even gap all the way down. So I think we should catch a little bit of the pan, or a little bit of floor, with this new pan coming in. I don't know if you can see, we got a dirt dollar's nest up there we need to get out before we weld it up. But I'm gonna clean this off and try to use my Clecos through there and see if we can't get it level. I think I might start with that. when we got it this level to this way, and it's a little off this way, but I think it's because this dips down a little bit further. But I'm going to mark a line straight across, see how far we are from where the old flange is to the new one, or the old bending point, I guess you could say. We weren't off by very much. Just wondering if I could rebend that. All right, here's what I'm kind of left with. This needs to be bent back more, and probably had to take that back out, bend this back, push this down more. Probably should have tried to put a screw in down here, set it up top, but overall, I don't think it's too bad. I didn't reflange that. I'm just debating on, since it wasn't really a flange, debating on just doing it like that and putting a little bit of filler just to make that not so noticeable, that little step in it, and just spot hole punching it, or spot weld punching it, and just welding it to it like that, because it's level this way, but for this pan, this needs to be bent in and this needs to be bent down, so we'll have to work on that. But this is about how this looked before with the overlap. You see we got to drill holes here on this brace here, on this one here. And you gotta spot weld it to the floor pan and this brace. But before I put this in, I'm gonna, this is seat mount, holes right there. I'm gonna drill down through it without the pan on all the way through. So it'll come out the bottom, somewhere in here. And then once we get this in where we want it and welded, I'm gonna drill back up through the pan so I know exactly where my holes are. And then we'll fill that in with weld. But all in all, other than my pans being kind of not bit right, I think it's pretty good. Feel like we got pretty far. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. This was kind of a shorter video, getting close to holiday. I'm kind of just in the mood to be with family, so this one probably be pretty short, and the next one will probably be pretty short too, because I'll just get back from Thanksgiving. I'll probably won't feel like doing much for a couple days, but I am pretty excited about how that's coming in. Next time I'm gonna try to fit that pan more, kind of bend it, try to get it where it fits better, and we may tack it in just to see what it looks like. And after that, we'll get the inner rocker and place it on here, cut out where we're going to weld to here, and see how well that fits across here. But yeah, I feel pretty good about where we're at right now. Like I said, sorry the video was kind of short, just kind of fitting stuff. Next video, probably be more fitting stuff, maybe getting some more screws in to attach that pan better. Of course, we gotta probably bring it over the vise and bend it some. But yeah, it's coming along pretty good, I think. I really like the way it looks. So thank you for watching if you made it this far. If you're new to my channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually something on the Bronco. Right now we're in the midst of dry fitting all the panels through here, getting them all squared and kind of screwed down so we know exactly what it's going to be, and punching holes, and then eventually we'll get to welding everything up, and that'll be, hopefully I can get all done in the video, but I'm not sure if I will or not. And anyways, so next time we'll mess with that more, and I'm going to practice more welding too next time. I just kind of want to get back in the house and get stuff ready to go see family. But anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. We're about to hit this pretty hard, so there'll be a lot of more exciting content, or more goals being met, I guess you could say. But we still got to make patches. Might do that next time too. But anyways, like I said before, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And thank you to all my new subscribers. That does really mean a lot to me and to the channel that you decided to hang around for a little bit. I hope I can keep you coming back, because this is about to step up some, and hopefully this will be done. The way it looks now, I could be ahead of myself, hopefully, if nothing pops up. If I'm doing that flange wrong, please let me know. I can still take it off, make another one if need be, and redo it. But if I can do it like that, because my flanging tool is not very powerful, I guess you could say. It punches holes fine, but it won't flange that well. Until it could be that I'm using a thicker gauge metal instead of the 18 gauge I should be using. But I can't seem to find that anywhere. Anyways, if that's okay how I'm doing it, please let me know. If not, then let me know. As of now, I'm going to leave it like that, like I said, and weld it and seal up behind it and seal up underneath it. And this whole thing's going to get rhino lined, and this part will be under a seat, so I'm not too concerned with it. But I do want it to be nice, and I do want it to be right. Like I said before, I'm probably going to keep this, so I mean, I'll know all the little secrets, and I may eventually have to redo this whole thing again, just get a new section put in there. But that's years down the road if I get to that point. Anyways, except for we'll keep working on this, and I'll see you on the next.